All right, today's assignment is going to be on Go.formative.com. I wanted to give you a look at what things are going to look like to answer it. All right, if you were in class, we'd have this worksheet right here, but you don't, so I made the adjustment and got a different way to propose it. All right, so for instance, number 1 on this first one, write the domain. So you're going to write the numbers here in this domain spot, like the video I showed you, in order from least to greatest. Okay, then for number 2, you're going to write the range, all the y's, in this spot from least to greatest. And then in number 3, you're going to tell me, is it a function or not a function? So if it's a function, you're going to type in the word function. In range, you're going to write -7, -4, 1. Okay, keep on going. And then for the domain, you're going to write the x's, which is -8, 1, 6. All right, so you're going to write all of these in order from least to greatest. I showed you a video of how the answer should look. Do not submit the whole assignment till you're finished. I want you to do the first half, 1 through 5, today, and then you're going to do the second half tomorrow. If you have any questions, send me a message in Canvas so I can help you. All right.